Wagwan beautiful people.
This is your island family.
Yeah man, welcome back Island Tribe.
Welcome Island Tribe.
Yeah man, so as you guys see from the title, you should know what this conversation is about. You see it, so there's been lots of questions asked. Right?
Lots of comments in the comment section, and I think that me and Babe have spoken about how we read everyone's comments. We might not reply, but we do read.
Yeah, so most of you guys have been asking, for a long time now, after I posted that video of the first day going to work, right? I got my first job. You guys never heard of, what happened after or anything like that, right? And also another question you guys been asking, why your husband don't help with driving, why don't I get a license and all of this, and you guys say a lot of things, like, Maria's the only one that's providing and all of that stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna cover those topics, you see it, so yeah.
Stay tuned for these topics. Well, let's get started.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So we'll just, touch basis on what's going on. So the reason why Babe isn't working at this present time is because he's going through some medical issues.
Yeah.
A lot of people in the comment section were commenting their thoughts of,
because we did this video where going to see the doctor. Yeah, and a lot of you guys probably think that it's something minor, it's just a normal checkup or whatever, but I've been going through, some illness, for a while now, and it's something I never really talk about on camera, really, you see it. So this is not something new. I know what's been happening, you understand? But I'm also there's new stuff coming up, basically, you understand? So which, we've been, and this video is not really gonna tell you exactly what it is still, because we're
because we don't know ourselves at this present time. We don't know exactly what is the issues to Babe's pain. He's basically living in constant pain, guys,
and this is a daily thing, you understand? So,
he wakes up in pain and goes to bed in pain most of the time, so we don't know what it is, and so we're getting that checked out and seen.
And with that, does that affect my work, basically? So the first day I went to work, as you guys, most of you seen the video, right? I got hooked up with my brother-in-law, which is Babe brother, you see it. So I went to work my first day, and it's like, as I said in that video, I was excited but nervous, and a lot of people were like, why be nervous? And they're saying like I'm acting like I'm scared of work, which nobody really knows what's been happening to me, I understand? And that's the reason why I said that. So I was nervous because I know what I've been through, you understand, by working too hard, and the pain that I've been feeling, you understand? So,
and no word of a lie, guys, the first day he went to work and came home, he literally could not walk the next day. He was in agony and a lot of pain.
I couldn't go.
So I suggested that he take some time off, and then it turned out that the sickness that he's feeling, or the pain that he's feeling, is actually more extensive than what we all thought. Right? Because my family, they knew that he had come from Jamaica and he had some little problems happening. We actually, we're going to rule out the kidneys, not the kidneys.
No.
Right? So we thought it was a kidney stones, but it's not.
No.
So we don't know exactly what it is, but he's getting referred to specialists and things. And we're going to figure it out from there on.
So, because even for a while I've been going to doctors, going to the hospital, doing blood tests. It's like I become like a lab rat, basically, because they've been drawing my blood a lot. And
let's tell the viewers, let's go back to the time where you were in Jamaica,
Yeah.
and you know you were doing really well with his music.
Yeah.
And he'd made a substantial amount of money, and he had saved a lot of money from his fishing.
Yeah.
Tell him about that.
Yeah. At one point, I saved up a lot of money, you know, as Babe said, from fishing, and you know, I had plans, you know, and that didn't go through because of I got really ill. You understand? I couldn't work for months. You understand? And I basically used up all of that money on doing CT scan, taking medications on top of medication, and only to realize I basically got wrong medication, and not just that, they started affecting me. I started spitting blood and all of that, you know. So and after going to the hospital, they say, oh, you should stop take these tablets. You understand? I've been through a lot of stuff with that, you know, and I'm just basically trying to solve the problem and just be free from pain right now. You understand?
We just quickly want to say how outrageous CT scans are in Jamaica in general. I think all over the world they're quite dear. They're expensive. And
yeah, because I paid like 65,000 for a CT scan.
Dollars for that, and that's whoa, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
You know, and for a fisherman that is earning, you know, not a, it's, I wouldn't say it's a maximum or a minimum wage. It really will take a toll, you know, especially having to pay that amount of money for exams and blood tests and all that, because everything costs money, as you all know. So so Babe couldn't walk the next day after all that, and so he decided, look, well, we decided as a couple, not he, we decided as a couple. So for everyone that says, how does Maria feel about this, I actually said to him, let's get you checked out thoroughly before you return back to work or go and look for other job or whatever you're doing. Concentrate now while you're at home with Ireland. Stay with Ireland and you know, bond with him, because they missed out a good 7 months, 6 months apart. So, you know, it's good for him to be with Ireland at this present time, and I'm not worried, you know, like, you know, I'm not worried about it. I'm good.
And lots of people say, oh, like, basically you're the only person working, which is true in a sense, because lots of people don't consider YouTube a job. But as far as I can tell you guys, I'm not gonna tell you how much we make on here, because we're not big YouTubers or anything. But as far as I can say, guys, what we earn off YouTube here, basically, I've never earned that per month in Jamaica. Never. You understand me? So I can tell you that this helped to pay the bills as well. You understand?
So we're just thankful, obviously, to all of you guys, because if it wasn't for you all, you know, to support us, we wouldn't, you know, be making a living off YouTube.
Exactly.
But also, I'll reverse that back as well. Baby's doing a job, because while I'm at work, he's looking after Ireland. Yeah. He's putting food on, like he's cooking when I'm home. Most of the time he's made a dish. You know, like little things that he doesn't know yet. As you know, he lived pretty much on his own. You know, like how to use a vacuum. Which I mastered. Which you mastered that now. He knows, you know, how to use a steam mop, and you know, how to hang the clothes on the line, which he already knew, and how to wash. He knows all of that sort of stuff. You know, there's little things I don't get him to do. Like, for example, I won't get him to go, oh babe, can you clean the toilets for me or something, because I don't think, you know, I just wouldn't want him to do that. But you know, we help each other, and that's all it's all about.
We play our part, you know,
we play our part. Definitely. So you know, we just help each other out, and at this present time it's all about getting Babe better and making sure that he's fit and healthy, and that's pretty much all we can,
you know, even putting on a, you know, like, as I said, lots of the time I'm in pain, even when I'm doing these vlogs, you understand? And I don't show that. I
just wanted to say, that's another thing as well, everyone. You might notice as well, you might notice Babe's put on a bit of weight. Well, actually, he hasn't put on any weight. He's still the same size that he was when I first met him, because, you know, obviously I used to buy him clothes and things to bring over to Jamaica and whatnot. He's still the same size. He hasn't put on weight. It's just that his sickness makes him look...
That's what's affecting me.
What's affecting him,
You know, so coming out to tell you guys this, you know, it's very new, because I never really talk about this, you understand? I put out a video, say we go to the doctor, which it might look like it's just a simple checkup, but it's more than just that, guys. You see me? Yeah.
So we have to, you know, come to the bottom of it and figure out what is the next step and what's the next treatment, or if it's surgery or whatever it may be. So guys, we only ask you to be nice, you know, in the comments. I know that there are some that won't, and I get that.
Yeah,
but
it's alright if they want.
It's all
you know,
cool, you know, but I'm cool with him not working at the moment. Another thing is the license. Yeah,
lots of people asking question, why don't I drive and why don't I get a license and help out Maria and all of that. You know, which I already studied for the knowledge test before, right? And I passed it around 3 times online, and I was so confident going to get my learners, right? Went there, do the test, and I think I failed by three of the questions, which is the questions are multiple choice, right? And yeah, so I failed the first time. I haven't gone back since, you know, but yeah guys, it's not like I'm not trying.
We're not in a haste either. Look, I told Babe knows this, the roads here are just as crazy as anywhere else in the world. So I'd rather him be confident, feel confident before he can drive on his own. And, you know, here the process is really easy because he'll get his license straight away, and then he can drive and can go anywhere with Baby Island, anywhere he wants to go. While I'm at work, they can, you know, get the car and go to the beach or wherever, or park and things like that. But at this present moment, it's not of an importance to us. It's not important to me for him to get a license right now, only because, you know, we got to deal with what's at present, and that's Babe's health.
And that's what I want to overcome, you know, because that's also another thing. Since I really got like ill, you know, it has even affected my music as well. You see, because it's like mentally I can't focus the way I used to. You understand? I used to write like 3-4 songs per day. You understand? Which nowadays that's become very difficult for me, you know. It's like I don't feel as comfortable like I should because of this. You understand? And I just want to get better. That's what I really hope and wish for, you know. And yeah, I just want to get better. Yes, you know, I pray to God, and I just want everything to come true. Yeah, man.
For sure. So we just wanted to say thank you guys if you have come this far to the video. Is there anything you wanted to add?
Not that I can think of right now. Yeah, but that's it for right now.
That's it for right now.
Yeah, so
at this present time, for everyone, once again, Baby's happy to be at home. I'm happy for him to be at home. Looking after Baby Island and, you know, helping with the house chores and that.
True.
You know, we work as a team, and that's what marriage is all about. For all those interracial couples and all those couples that are in long distance relationships, you know, stay strong, because this is how we started, and it's all about, you know, sticking together.
Man.
And we give thanks, and obviously God comes first in everything. So definitely we pray and we hope that Babe gets better, and that, you know, any recovery is better recovery.
True.
So all right guys,
man, so thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. You see it, and if you're new, subscribe, thumbs up, because it's more important than ever now, guys. Know that there's no dislike button. So
there is a dislike button, but you can't
tell
see
the numbers
who's
are
disliked it. So we're saying, like, the more likes we get, the better our vlogs get recommended out there.
The YouTube algorithm, you know, it's better for us, you know.
Yeah,
guys.
And if everyone's wondering, because I know in the comments, where's Bobo? Bobo's just gone for a ride with family members. So all right. So guys, take it easy, and we'll catch you for the next one.
Blessings, guys.
Big ups.
See ya.
Bye.